In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files through Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Have you ever tried sending a large video, presentation, or folder through email and suddenly got a file size limit error? Most email services only allow attachments up to around 25 megabytes. Luckily, Google Drive gives you an easy way to share large files without those limits. There are two methods you can use. For the first method, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then log into your Google Drive account. Find the large file you want to send, right-click on it, then go to Share and click Share again. Inside the sharing window, look for the General Access section. Click the restricted dropdown and change it to anyone with the link. Next, choose the permission level you want to give. You can set the person as a viewer, commenter, or editor. Now click the Copy Link button at the bottom of the window. Once copied, paste that link into your email, messaging app, or chat so the receiver can access and download the file directly. For the second method, go to mail.google.com and log into your Gmail account. Click Compose to start a new email. At the bottom of the Compose window, click the Google Drive icon, the one shaped like a triangle. If the file is on your computer, open the Upload tab. If it's already in Google Drive, stay on My Drive. Select your large file and wait for the upload to finish. Once done, enter the recipient and subject, then click Send. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.